Hi, my name is Sarah Burr, and I am the online student representative, and I am also doing the LPN to BSN online program. So I am running through kind of what we need for our clinical experience and what it should look like. So as you can see, I'll start with I have arm tattoos. So those should be covered up during clinicals. You should take your earrings out, and if you have nose rings like these in here, they should be either covered with a like plastic plug or taken out completely. And then you can have one watch on either wrist. Take off your bracelets, and then preferably just a white tennis shoe. And then these are our navy scrubs with our white tops. And then at our online store, you can purchase like our navy blue top that goes with our scrubs, and then it's stitched, embroidered with our St. Ambrose University logo. And then, so I keep my backpack always together, and I carry some form of a water bottle because usually on the floors you can always have a water bottle, and they'll guide you and tell you where you can keep those. And then I just like to tell students not to take their backpack apart. So if they have a clinical backpack, just always keep it together. And I don't take anything out of it. And I have just a clipboard of some sort. Metal ones work. Just something that's so you can write on when you're at clinicals. So I keep that in there. And then I always keep a stethoscope in my backpack. So I keep my stethoscope with me at all times, and it doesn't leave my clinical backpack. And then in there I have an oxygen saturation reading to meter, but you don't need that, it's not required. So in my backpack I also keep more nose plugs for my nose rings. I take those out. And then sometimes I keep like a Tide to Go pen in there, just because obviously we have white scrub tops, and if you're away and you can't get back home from clinicals, like they're far, I keep a Tide to Go pen with me at all times as well. And then also in my backpack, like I said, nothing leaves this backpack. I have my watch, and then I have my badge. And then I also keep a little notebook so that I can carry it in my pocket with me, and that doesn't leave my backpack either, and you can take notes. And then I keep just like a handful of black pens, and then I have my pen light is in here too, so I keep that right in there. And then I also bought a mini calculator just as like if I need it. And then I have my scissors that I just slide into my pocket when I'm at clinicals. And then we'll keep going. You can bring a normal size notebook too, it just doesn't fit quite as nicely in here. So I have that. And then I have cough drops. It doesn't say you need that, but just in case. And then always snacks, so you can keep those just stuffed in your backpack, like if you don't get a lunch or a break. And then I keep like gum in here too. That is not a requirement, but I like to keep that in there. And then I keep a folder in here. So each clinical experience, I always print out all of the paperwork at the beginning of the semester, and then I put it in here. I also include my ALTs in here too. So like there's a system diagnosis. So I print off probably 3 each of those and just have them with. So that way when you're at the hotel, you don't end up, if they don't have a printing option or a copy option, then you have them with you ready to go. So I think the key is to just have your hair pulled back, have it out of your face. You can also use you can keep ponytails in here, and even headbands to just keep your hair out of your eyes, because you're at clinicals to have an experience and to see everything. Well, if your hair is up in your eyes and in your face, you may miss something. So the key takeaways, I think, are your watch, make sure it has a second hand. This one I think I got from like a UA uniform or something. And then keep your stethoscope always with you. You don't ever want this to leave your side. That's why I have an extra one, and I just leave it in this backpack. Something hard to write on, that's key. This one I think was off Amazon. And then, like I said, your badge. Don't let your badge leave. And then your uniform. You don't have to purchase the lab coat, but it's just nice, especially some of these clinicals can get cold. It's nice to have it with you, so that's nice. And then proper footwear. Make sure your shoes are comfortable. You don't want anything with bright colors, or I just went with standard white. Always cover up your tattoos with a light color, and it's like gray and whites that are in our student nursing handbook. Take out your earrings. You don't want any dangly earrings. You don't want things that people can pull on or tug on. You want to make sure that you remove all of those too, just while you're at clinicals. And then don't heavy dose yourself with perfume. I don't put any on. I put deodorant on, and then I am off to clinicals. I'm really light on the makeup, and make sure you just look very natural, and that we set a standard for our college. So if you have any questions, you can email me. I'm always free to talk or answer any questions about what should be in your clinical bag and how we just keep it in there. And we, that way, when we go to weekend after clinicals, we don't forget anything. You don't want to be that person that gets to clinicals and you forgot your name badge or forgot a pen. Thank you.